This is the question number 19 of exercise 5.3 of chapter 5. And this question says 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row and 19 in the next row, 18 in the next to it, and so on, given in the figure. And in how many rows are 20 logs are placed, and how many logs are in the top row. So let us see how to solve this question. This is very easy and interesting question. We are given 200 log. This means sum of n term is equals to 200, and we are given 20 logs in bottom row. This means let this is the first term, and 19 in the next row. This means D is 19 minus 20, therefore minus 1. So we have to find number of rows. This means we have to calculate n. Let us use the formula of sum of n terms, that is Sn equals to n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And Sn is given 200, and we have to calculate the value of a is 20. We have to calculate the value of n, and d is given minus 1. Let us solve this equation. First of all, we shall multiply this 2 with this 200 to get 400. Here is n, and multiplied by 40, and when we multiply n minus 1, this n minus 1 with this minus 1, we get minus n positive 1. Now we shall multiply this n and with the values in bracket to get minus n square plus 41n. And what we observe now? We observe that this is a quadratic equation. N square minus 41n plus 400 equals to 0. We shall factorize this quadratic equation by using middle term factorization method, and by that we get this middle term can be factorized like this: 25 minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 equals to 0. And we can take n common from first two terms. This is n minus 25, and here we take minus 16 as common, so we get n minus 25 in the bracket. And now this is equals to n minus 25, and n minus 16 equals to 0. Therefore n minus 25 equals to 0, or n minus 16 equals to 0. Therefore n is equals to 25, or n is equals to 16. These are two values of n. Let us check both the values of n are valid or not. First, let us take n equals to 25. If n is 25, then number of logs in 25th row is equal to 25th term of the AP, and the first term is 20 and the common difference is -1. Let us find out the 25th term, that is a 25, by using general term a plus n minus 1 into d. This is n. And if we take n equals to 25, a is 20, n is 25, and this is -1. So this is -24 and this is -4. This shows that number of logs in 25th term equals to -4, which is clearly not meaningful. Therefore, n is not equals to 25. So we take n equals to 16. Now we shall find out 16th term, and a is 20, 16 minus 1 in d is -1. So this is 20 minus 15 equals to 5. Therefore, number of rows equals to 16 and there are 5 logs in the top row. This is the solution of the question. Thank you.